Reading is fun. Are these sentences true or false? A little green frog said quack quack. A little pig loved to make a row. A duck only said croak croak. A pig cried aloud wee wee. Let's talk. Seema talks a lot and her brother calls her talkative. Do you think Seema should talk when the teacher is teaching in class, on the playground, while she is eating? When mother asks her about what happened in school? You are very talkative. Answer yes or no. That's right. Complete the questions with the words in the box. Will, can, what, how, where, when. Dash is your name, dash old are you, dash do you play, dash do you live. Tick the correct word. We did not shout in the class. Do you like to drink water? Water. He tried to climb the tree. Will you please help me? I can see with my eyes. Make sentences using the following words. Is, are. 다가장한지 디뮤티님 봐. 심쟁이 뒤쪽이. 먼저 저거 심쟁이 좁거든 수고라. Reading is fun, right? Lawyer the yours. The lawyer the shishachin to. Are these sentences true or false? True or false ana? True lana demba, false ana juma. Ram demba meke. Sidup dinzo and demba re juma res. A little green frog said. Ni kasa beba chunjun jangudi kalabare quack quack larves. Beba yi kalare munsa. Croak croak leda, so manju di no dachira. The false. A little pig loved to make a row. Papa chunju di chuzing dang la ko marwa. Tande papi dinzo imba. Jesa ko no dache false. A duck only said croak croak. Duck yi quack quack leya. Croak croak le beba di imba. Di no dache false. A pig cried aloud. Wee wee. Papa ngudu samba, papa kekedu samba, wee wee chires. Did right. Right, lanare true. The true, the false, false. Let's talk. Seema talks a lot and her brother calls her talkative. Seema kejepe mabushires and korangi pinga pugi kalere, mola kalere. Talkative ladies. Talkative Do you think Seema should talk when the teacher is teaching in class, on the playground, while she is eating, when mother asks her about what happened in school? Kera yi kharsam kidu Seema yi keja khashi gorsam kidu es. Khadu mandra shi ra thambodla Gege zindana la tivekosla koki shena diresam kudes dimera on the playground zumutsesa yi zedangala geshela na nenga mi gyorushta ine zimut karitse yalara liraya while she is eating kala sawekosla kejeshina di mi gyorushira when mother asks her about what happened in school amlagi keje chidu sambas laptala kharichons lagi chizamba Moshe Groa. Takoi kalado, you are very talkative. Kipe kitsavutus, kijamambutus. And Lela, yes or no? Ra. Ina mena mela hajra. The Koran barala kichatroche. Now let's write. That was chiwas. Complete the questions with the words in the box. That words zo konshos, chasantishos. Kari kongore, trupshina yebe, tsidinsura. Ladina karirem batura will nana mamba tangya Ni ken na tugiya da chi chore la chiyo ko che what la na khari how la na khandis where la na khawala when la na khadu. Dash is your name. Karlimbar. What is your name? Ra. Dash old are you la na? How old are you? Dash do you play? That they do la sada. So when do you play la na limbar? Ra. Then dash do you live? Ani where do you live? Ra kawadi use. Can you imagine this? Then take the correct words. Let's see. We did not shoot shout in the class. Shoot lana menda shuwata. And temutawa dinjila shoot la chota. Shout lana keju kya in the class. Zindra na la nganzu karichi mare keju kya mare la. Do you like to drink water? Water. Kiran chutunga ka huya le na. He tried lana kale khaba. Tried lana thapshi chiba. To climb the tree. Shindong azaya thapshi chisung le la kagire pa. Will you please Dada dawra kuchi la disi kagire. Help me kyungala wachitu service. I can see with my eyes. The see the dad chipa imbacha tunda lawaira. Dido ena piche di see the mesams ra ina kuch. Dachi bosuyachi tu sueshagura. Sorche tong wachiro. Ngarang yingi mi jinga tong tugutu lela kagire paris. Make sentences using the following words. Sham gitsidin zos. Following lana sham. Sham gitsidin zo pyuji chiche tsirupsu shuos. Ista ar. Da is kawal pyuji chiro. Chalat ngo pukare chitsi imbayna mitsi. Anik tikapsla is pyuchiro. Re lad koale ngora. Ar lad mangzigas. They are my friends. They are my books. Any career. We are going to camp number 3. Then